In this video, we are going to discuss whether or not it is really possible to live with trading activity. In particular, we're going to discuss about prop trading, funded accounts. Is it really possible? Is it realistic to think that you can get the money that you need to cover your life expenses just out of trading? Let's go straight to the point. Living with trading is extremely hard. People who become rich with trading are extremely rare on the face of the earth. And even those that do not become rich but manage to cover their lifestyle expenses with trading are also quite rare. The majority of the people take their chances with trading, but they never get anywhere. They cannot squeeze out money out of the market. That's because trading requires a strong strategy, years of experience and study, and a very, very strong and tested risk management system. And many people don't get even close to this. They just try to use the market and the trading tool as a gambling machine. They might make a little bit of money at the beginning, but then when the tide turns against them, they fail, they quit, and they get out. That's why, in my opinion, the best approach to trading is the realistic approach, which is treat trading like a side income. And even if you treat it like a side income, approach it like a business. Be serious about that. Write down a plan. Budget your expenditures, set goals, and establish month by month targets. In this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit of my plan. I specifically chose prop trading because it offers me a very business-like structure. It imposes very strong discipline. It has a rule framework in which you have to move through if you want to trade successfully. And also, it does not require an initial capital. You only need to understand what is your budget for purchasing the challenges and then get access to the funded account. And at that point, you will have the capital of the firm, which is going to be in a simulated account, but the possibility to generate profits is real. So here you can see the big picture roadmap. My objective is to achieve this goal, 3,000 USD a month, consistently in profit in 9 months. So you can see that in the big picture roadmap, I have 3 stages, which is basically the first 3 months, then the 6, and then 9. The main objective for the first month, which is April, the month in we are currently going through, is to define an edge. You have to do it within 1 to 2 weeks. What is an edge? You need to pick one style, which is figuring out the trend of a certain trade using the 1 hour to 4 hour chart, and then the short-term revision in the 15 minutes to 1 hour chart, which is also the type of chart that you will use for your entry point, and only use not complicated setups, clean setups like trend pullback, support resistance, and so on. And you need to keep always an 1 to 2 risk reward, avoiding noise trades. Max, you can only risk 1% of the account equity per trade, and you can take a max of 1, 2, 3 positions open at the same time. That's to avoid the 3% daily loss cap that would kick you out from the challenge if you hit it. And your homework for the first month would be to nurture a habit of thoroughly journal every trade and every metrics. So simply speaking, track your entry point, stop loss, take profit point, position, size, how you feel, and your results. This is the first part of my business plan to become a profitable prop firm trader. This is the homework that I have to do during this time in order to lay the foundation that will enable me in the future to pass a challenge and to access a funded account. But let's see what would be the milestones that I have to evaluate after 3 months. The evaluation phase will include assessment of my trading style according to what I've mentioned before, and I will have to assess and journal 3 to 7 high quality setups per week, keep my risk management according to the rules that I framed in the part discussed before, and I will have to achieve certain things. For example, in month 1, I will have to go through a demo run through of 1 to 2 challenges and take 2 to 30 high quality demo trades, review some chart examples, and then in month 2 I will have to enter in the first real challenge and hopefully pass it, and then in month 3 I will have to secure my first funded account. So I am currently at the demo stage, as you can see from my journal, and I have performed just about 10 to 12 trades as I am about to complete my first month of this business plan. If you are a prop trader, or if you are a trader interested in digging into the prop trading space, or if you are a crypto trader interested in having a founded account, I am currently selecting a number of traders to test a new crypto native prop trading platform. So if you have a social media presence, if you have a channel, if you're a website or a network, just send me a message. I would be more than happy to give you a free challenge to test the platform and start to collaborate together. I'm gonna put the email in the description of this video, and I look forward to hearing from you.